close to me, 'cause that's how it's supposed to be. I never want to leave, baby. I never want to leave.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? This is your boy Hyphy on the Beat Boy, and today I'm going to be bringing you a free alternative to create an album art for yourself. And you don't need to have experience in making artworks like that. If you're just an artist and you don't want to like spend more money and you don't want to spend too much time trying to create art for yourself, this is an easy alternative. And I've made a video mentioning this website before, and now I see BeatStars implementing it, and the website is Canva. So now BeatStars have added Canva to their upload section in order to create album arts in the upload field. If you're opening it for the first time, it will ask you to sign up for sure, but signing up is very fast and it's not hard at all. So all you need to do is just log in with your Facebook or Gmail. So once you click and log in with your Facebook or Gmail, you're up. So this is what you're gonna see. This is your dashboard. So we're going to try to create a new art right now, but the thing is that you can't see album cover in front of this. You can't see album cover here. So the first thing I would just go to is Instagram posts. Since Instagram posts, sorry, I can't talk. Since Instagram posts too are made in squares, so we create a blank Instagram post, but we really don't want to create Instagram post. It's an album cover we want to create. So go to file, we go to create new design, and we go to album cover. And for the record, this is the website I've been using to create all my albums since I started releasing albums on distrokid. If you want to use distrokid for distributing your songs on every platform, I have a discount that you can use if you check out through my link in the description below. So you scroll through all the templates here. You see if you have, you're interested in using any. On good days, they have, very nice template and stuff. So let's just choose this one. I like this one. Or should I use this one? I've tried to use this one before. Let's just start let's use this one. So in order to understand the kind of format you'll be designing for your album art, you should check. For example, distrokid will show you, they will give you tips on the kind of album art they accept. So here you can go to upload. If you're using BeatStars too, I think there should be some tips. Obviously BeatStars is now partnering with Canva on art, so there should be some tips on how to design your art. So now you need a JPEG or PNG, JPG or PNG or GIF extension, 3000 pixel square. Just follow all this. Don't increase the size of your image. Don't try to blow it up because it will be blurry. So right here you can edit, maybe write the name of your work hard. And by the way, I think I'm going to be releasing my beats album for streaming platforms. So let me just use this as an example of how I'll be making the artwork. Hard drill. Yes. So I can put 2021 here. Tech Studio. That's all. And volume 1. Yeah, that's good. And here we can put the title. So we need to replace this image and put, we don't need to actually, but we can replace this image and put our own just to make it unique. I think I normally upload just my own design. Let's say I've uploaded a design here, and I get this image from website that allow free usage for commercial use and everything. Example is on splash.com. Yeah, you can get your images from on splash.com. It allows free use for commercial and any use and without need for attribution. And another example is pixels.com, but I prefer to use on splash.com to get my images. You can search for the kind of image you're looking for. So I don't need to go through that right now because I already have examples here. So once I use this, I can drag it and drag it and send it to the back. Let me see if I can get it to crop and fit in just to replace that. Just like that. And this one, we're going to delete it. So yeah, we have but yours is gonna be better than this. Let me see if I can make it better than this actually. Let me drag it down. Yeah, and that's it. And we can change the colors. You know, you can just really play with this thing. It's actually really fun designing an album cover with this website. It gives you opportunity to be creative instead of having to figure out how to do things on Photoshop and any other professional softwares. So here we can change the colors, change to like black, because I like black is part of my branding. I like black and red. Let's see if I can use red. Wait. Let me see some. Talk to me nice. Okay, so this is looking so scary right now. That's not what I intended to do. I can make my own colors if I have a color code in my head, but let me use this is looking like it's gonna be sensible, so I'm getting into it already. Trouble. The title of the album is Trouble. So I can reduce the size by reducing it here. You know what, to be honest, you can just mess around with things yourself, and if you don't know how to do anything, and I've mentioned it in this video, you can use this video as reference. So I'm holding and dragging it with like holding shift so that it doesn't go up. I'm just trying to drag it horizontally.
2 very boring minutes later.
So right here, I'm going to click on download PDF. Because we are using the free version, we can't change the format. So I'll tell you how to go about this, but this is good enough for now. But remember that we need PNG here, and we followed all the rules here. Other distribution platforms also have the similar specifications for album cover, because these specifications are actually from streaming platforms. So once that downloads, you will go up to this website here, PDF to JPG. Once you open this, you choose the file, so you upload it back into this website. Once you upload it, you don't press start, you specify the dimension 3000. That's what we're trying to do. 3000 pixel by 3000 pixels, and we need 300 dpi here. Just enter 300, don't ask me why. 100% quality, colored, yes, and you press start. Leave the remaining as they are. And once you start, you don't need to sign up to get this conversion for this particular website. You just click on download JPG. We don't need the zip file, just download the JPG here. There you have it. You have your new hard drill album. Once it downloads, I'll upload it on distrokid, and you see that it will be accepted. So if you don't follow these specifications from the distribution platforms, your album might get rejected and you have to start the process all over again, and it might alter your release date, because now you'll be like having to edit too many times. So in order to just keep all the time wasters, just make sure you follow this. So, and it's done, no complaints so far. And once you submit your album and you publish, distrokid is going to review it. For a 7% discount for distrokid, check my description link below and sign up using the link. Thank me later. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to save someone money and time, and to help you be creative and release your songs. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and drop a like. If you have any question, if this was successful for you, if you find it helpful, just let me know, and I'll be glad to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and peace out. Whoop day, she said I'm a Mills and it's okay. I'm never on Mills cause I'm always on top of my game, LeBron James. Bow, bow. Whoop day, music I use like cocaine. Never doing drugs, no way.